Want to make better choices in life? Here's a simple method anyone can use. Decision making simply means choosing the best option. Every day we make many decisions like what to eat or which route to take, and bigger ones like which job or school to choose. Every choice counts. Here's a simple 3 step process. First, identify the problem. What's the choice? Next, consider all your options. Finally, pick the best one using facts, not just feelings. Even small decisions get easier with a clear structure. Imagine your washing machine breaks down. You have 3 repair people available, each with different prices, locations, and experience. How do you decide who to call? Consider 4 key factors: who is closest, who has the right skills, who can come the soonest, and who is affordable. Score each factor, and the highest score wins. Facts, not guesswork. Better decisions come from structure. Even small choices get easier when you think first. Try it today. Use a mini decision matrix for your next choice.